I'm nervous. I'm so stoked. All right. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Eli, you're right. You're right. The base on the bottom. That's the one we should start on first. Keep that one there. That's why we have this one. All right, everybody. Good luck. And to start us off on the base. Yeah. 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 That's yes. Yes. Otani, 12 of 25 on the diamond. Yeah. That's a good start. That's a good start. DG. That's a solid. Solid. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that so much. Oh my goodness. Shohei, future 2025 World Series MVP. I like that. I like that very much. Mon corner. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Get some of these out here. Wow. Those ones. Need these ones. And I'm going to actually have to go get one of those. Oh, beautiful start. Beautiful start. All right. And for the auto, start it off. Jordan Alvarez on the dual relic. 6 of 25 for the Astros. That will be Vic. Mr. Vic. Gorgeous. Your daddy, the Alvarez. Come on now. Beautiful. All right. Okay. And another one for the Brewers. Brewers have been on a roll with these breaks. Christian Yelich, 24 of 25. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love these ones. So sweet. Single player, auto relic. I love these. Maddie, that's funny. That's funny. Except the reason I'm going so slow is so that does not happen. Because that would be extremely unfortunate. Especially for the Shohei. All right. All right. All right, Vic. We will do my best. I will do my best. And I think is also. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Barry Bonds for the Giants. Abso-freaking-lutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. That is what we like. 7 of 10. Oh, that is such a hot card. That is such a hot card for the Giants. Wow. B. Craw. Wow. Jeez Louise. That is freaking gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Wow. Icons of the Diamond. That's so sweet because you can see through the card. Oh, I love it. Beautiful auto, too. Stunning. All right. Okay. Keeping it going. We want more. Yeah, Hemi. 7 to 10. And to keep her going. Ooh. Julio Rodriguez. 2 of 5. Little J-Rod there. We got to keep going. We've got it. We've got to. Winning cards. These are freaking hot. Julio Rodriguez for the Mariners. Kevin Peterson. That is hot. I mean, these cards just keep getting hotter as we go. They just keep getting hotter. Absolutely. Abso-freaking-lutely. Be gently. Gently. Maybe here. Oh, wait. Chance it. This one for now. Oh, these are so hot. Oh, these are hot. And we've got. Oh! Giants hitting again. Buster Posey. Mr. Buster. 24 of 25. Another big one there. B. Craw. Wow. Wow. These are insane. These are insane. Luke, as a Reds fan, Buster Posey has me scarred for life. That would make sense. Wow. Wow. Icons Chrome. I love it. I love it, everybody. I love it. Just keep getting better. And I mean, I love these. A bit. We are barely halfway through here. I think if you saw this one right, is well, there we go. Ask and you shall receive. Adrian Beltre for the Rangers. Mr. Yates. Another Icons of the Diamond. 8 of 25. That is what we like to see. Wow. I love these. These ones are sweet. Yates. These are sweet. These are freaking sweet. Wow. Wow. You just can't make it up. You can't. Very nice. We love that. Take this one. Eli, you've missed a lot, my friend. You've missed a lot. Ooh. 7 of 10. Dale Murphy. Wow. Oh, wow. For the Braves. That is phenomenal. What have I said? What have I said about the Braves? Gabe. This is what we're looking for. That auto is beautiful. 7 of 10. 7 of 10. How freaking hot. Mr. Dale Murphy. Most definitely. Mr. Dale Murphy. That's a nice one. You can't go wrong with Diamond Icons. You can't go wrong. Where's this one? Oh, another 5. Another fiber here. We've got. Oh, Mariners again hitting both of the 5s. Felix Hernandez. 3 of 5. Oh my gosh. These just get better. Look at that auto. Look at that auto. You just can't make it up. Wow. Wow. They don't make autos like they used to. That is phenomenal. That is just phenomenal. Making me emotional. Oh, that's so gorgeous. All right. And to go along with the rest of them, where's this one? On the white polychromatic for the Cardinals. Brian. Thomas Sujaci. 13 of 15 on his rookie. On the purple ink. Yikes. That's a hot one. I love the purple. I love it. Kutch, what do you mean, yikes? What do you mean, yikes? Yeah, not quite who you're looking for, but nice hit. All right. Move this over. Move this one over. This one. Because, it's standing up. All right. And then this one, I believe, was. And for the relic, last card magic. Yeah, a little bit of Red Sox in there. Manny Ramirez for the Red Sox. Corey.